Welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday and my party is over, my birthday is over. Now why I'm wearing these boxing gloves? Because I'm going to show presents and first one is a boxing set. But first I'll show you my boxing set. Look at this. My mom gifted it to me. Look. So awesome. Nice. This is very nice. And it just it's so nice. Now so this is my third gift and this is my fourth gift and this Beyblade is my, one second, just wait a second, I'll get it off first. I'll launch this Beyblade. It's called Berserk Ragnarok. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's looking so cool. Now, I'll just tell you a thing about it because I know that. This is called the frame of a Beyblade and this is called chassis. If it's like this and here is written 4 on the both sides, it is called a 4 chassis. And this is a fuel driver and when it screeches on the stadium, it gets more stamina, it loses and it still gets stamina. And look, and now I have this. Now I will also show you. I'll launch it. 3, 2, 1, Infinity Nano. Wow, it's looking so cool. I have unboxed 2 Beyblades like this, and if you didn't watch those videos, watch them and watch my Xbox car game video which I uploaded a few days ago only. Oh, here's another gift of my birthday. It's a hand game and we have 2 games. First one is this one and the second one is black version with stickers and there are 8 in one. And if you just insert it and get it out, you don't even need to insert these. You'll get 9 games in here. The all-time games are so awesome. I'm playing a soccer one in it. They're so awesome. I did a shop review of a shop which got toys and water bottles and lunchbox. So you can buy this from there. It is chargeable. You don't need to add batteries. So you have a charger with it. You can put it here and you will have a cable which you can connect with your TV. And if you go to an electric shop, if you just this wire there, you can get a bigger one so you can play from your bed to your TV. So I hope you like this gift. I think this is a very useful gift, I think. Because this is books, pencil, erasers. Look, we have we have this. And look, we have so many books. My goodness. There's science. There are 2 science of 3rd grade. And an intelligent book, answer books. And here's one more answer book. I guess it's a So we have maths, And we have English. There are 2 English books. And this is logical reasoning. Wow, nice. And we have a general knowledge book also. Wow. Oh, we have just a pamphlet here of the. Oh, this is a book. Our aim is simple. There are more pamphlets in a book. It has one certificate. I'm getting lots and lots of certificates. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel and watch the older videos if you don't watch them. Bye guys.